some users have gotten an error message that says Windows cannot complete the extraction when they try to open a zip file they downloaded using Windows Explorer. If you're having trouble opening a file because of the problem mentioned, this video can help. Here are the different ways to fix a zip file that won't extract. If you try to extract the compressed zip folder and get the error message Windows cannot complete the extraction, restart your computer because it could be a random glitch. Apps and Microsoft services that don't work on your computer are often caused by an old version of Windows. It is highly recommended that the computer's operating system be updated to fix any software problems that may have come up because of the incompatibilities. Windows updates also fix holes in the system that could let malware and viruses into the PC. Sometimes you can't extract zip files because they are in a protected location or because you only have limited permissions to access the file location. In this case, the best way to get rid of the Windows cannot complete the extraction error is to move the zip file from the protected area to any other place on your computer that doesn't have restrictions. You can put the file in one of the folders in your user profile. If none of the first few solutions work, it's likely that the compressed zip folder has corrupted files, which is why it won't extract. The next step to successfully finishing the extraction process is to re-download the zip file from its original source to replace the corrupted copy on your PC. This should fix the error message that says Windows can't finish extracting. Sometimes, a program on your computer gets in the way of extracting a zip file, which causes the Windows cannot complete the extraction error to show up. Doing a clean boot state is the best way to extract files correctly and avoid problems with apps that have already been installed. Here's how. Press the Windows icon +R on your keyboard. In the dialog box, type msconfig and hit enter. The system configuration will then appear. Access the General tab. Go to the Selective Startup section and then check the box labeled as Load Startup Items. Then head to the Services tab next. Check the box beside Hide All Microsoft Services. Select Disable All found at the bottom of the System Configuration window. Click OK to save the changes. Restart computer and extract the zip file to check if the Windows cannot complete the extraction error has been resolved. There are times when the above error message appears along with these notes. File name too long for the destination. The destination path is too long, or the destination file could not be created. If you want to extract the file completely, you should be able to do so by renaming the file. If nothing else works, the next step to fix the Windows cannot complete the extraction error is to use a different program to extract or compress the file in question. Online, you can find free third-party programs like 7-Zip, pzip, and ZipFree, to name a few. That's it. If you think that this video is helpful, we would appreciate it if you can leave a like, subscribe to our channel, or share this video to your friends. This can greatly help in making sure that Google's algorithm can find and recommend this video to others.